tawag nito, alam niyo naman siguro sa news 'no, na ginahasa kami dito ng bagyo. Thankfully, sa Iloilo hindi masyado, parang signal number 3 kami, so madami pa rin bubong na nag-ano. Kita niyo naman sa news 'di ba, yung especially sa Cebu. Cebu is para mga 2 hours away from our ano, so from our island. Kasi nga Visayas watak-watak 'yan, pero grabe talaga sa kanila, signal number 4. And yun, kahit kahapon may mga parts pa rin na ano na brown out, tapos yun, walang internet. So yun, thankfully now, nag-internet na. So yun, go na tayo. Okay? Yun lang, kasi aside from this, kasi madami pa si Doc Gas na mga commitments, kaya ngayon nagka-ano, tapos marami ding mga pasyente ngayon, nagkasama-sama, kaya ayan tuloy. So, sana nga kanina, no, 10:30 or 11, kaso hindi ko talaga kaya, ang daming ano, ang daming pasyente. So, kaching-kaching na naman si Doc Gas, sana nilibre ko na kayo ngayon ng pizza. Okay, ano tayo? Sana malapit lang kayo, no? Dami sana ng libre nyo. Anyway, sige, start tayo guys. Last na to ng geriatric health. Send GCash, pwede. Bigyan mo ako. Ilan ang need mo? ah! Sige. Wait lang. Ilan ba kayo? 55? Tigwa 1,000 each ba? Okay. Hindi guys, malapit na kayo mag-opto. Mga 50,000 a month, okay na sa inyo yan, di ba? Oh, malapit na kayo mag-opto eh. Konting tiis na lang, 2 taon. Okay, sige, anyhow, continue tayo. So, geriatric, psychiatric health, actually natataon to. Kita ba? Kita ba yung inaano ko? Yung pinipresent ko? Kita naman, no? So, I mean, this is very timely kasi kita naman natin, no, yung case ni Eman Atienza ngayon. Okay, although hindi siya gerya, pero talamak na ito ngayon, not unlike before na parang hindi siya nare-recognize. So nasama din to sa curriculum na i-discuss itong psychiatric health because even though you're physically able, physically well, no, okay ka, but then if nag-degenerate ka mentally, psychiatrically, or psychologically, naapektuhan siya. Okay, and I have stories of my own also, no. Yun. So yun, i-ano ko share ko sa inyo mamaya. Okay? So mental disorders are a major impediment. When we say impediment, parang obstruction siya, balakid kumbaga sa Tagalog. Malalim ba balakid? Obstruction. Okay? To living well in old age. Okay? Losing one's mind, or sa Bisaya pa or sa amin, nabuang ka na. Okay? Or getting Alzheimer's disease is a major fear about aging. And isa yan sa mga kumbaga napapaisip ka. What if mawala yung memory ko, hindi ko na maalala yung mga loved ones ko, di ba? Hindi ko na makilala yung kaharap ko ngayon, yung mahal ko sa buhay, yung asawa ko. It's a major fear na fini-face, no, ng isang geriatric patient. And mental illness has a terrible impact on health. Okay, mental illness has a terrible impact on health. So, wala ka sa pag-iisip mo, wala ka sa tamang, yung term nila, wisyo, di ba? Nakaka-apekto. So, it affects on your diet, sa pagkain mo, sa pagkain ng tamang oras, okay? Or baka hindi ka na nga kumakain, o di ba? Or baka sumusobra ka sa pagkain. O, share ko lang, yun sinasabi ko, share ko lang yung dad ko. Yung dad ko kasi, yung mental illness kasi guys, ano siya it is also in a form parang pwedeng namamana kasi siya diba? Yung how yung hormones natin develops, no, yung neurons natin, everything sa brain natin na mag-function, namamana mo kasi yan So sa amin kasi sa side ng nanay ng dad ko, parang kilala sila, no, na parang may ganon, no? Parang may some of them are mentally ill. Although sa akin, hindi ko pa naman, ewan ko, nafe-feel nyo sa akin, baka Si Doc Gas parang ano to parang lunatic to, parang buang to Pero in my case, parang hindi pa naman ako, wala. It's not showing on my site. Siguro dahil sa mom ko ako, siguro nagmana, no? Pero meron may mga cases. Hindi naman na nag-lose yung mind. Parang may mga cases ng depression, may bipolar, may mga ganon. Okay? So, yun, yung dad ko underwent series of depression and he was also diabetic. Okay, nung time na depressed siya kasi ito he was once a seafarer, seaman siya. And the thing about seamen, no, mga tao, mga seafarer, syempre pag nasa barko madaming pera and eventually when they get old, most of them talaga kumbaga wala nang pinagkakakitaan. Usually most of them wala nang hanap buhay. So hindi sila sanay ng ganun. Okay, so syempre at that point yung dad ko talaga na depressed. So kumbaga pag wala ka kasing pera, konti na lang kaibigan mo, 'di ba? Konti na lang yung sumasama sa iyo, hindi ka na makautos kasi syempre wala ka ng panggatong 'di ba? Wala ka ng anong tawag nito? Kumbaga pampatulak, parang gano'n, no? So, yun, eventually naapektuhan siya and him being diabetic and depressed, syempre, yun, wala ng pera. So, medyo, yun, kumakain na ng kumakain. One time, nagpadala yung tita ko ng parang isang parang balikbayan box na puro chocolate sa lahat kumain. And eventually, my dad passed away. So, sinishare ko to because this is the reality, no, of depression na parang kinakain yung tao, alam mo yun? Uh, parang silent killer din siya. Yun. And to share to you, no, that to love your parents, to love your parents. Kasi syempre, as they age, hindi naman din nila alam yung gagawin nila and then some of them are not aware of this condition. No, you love your parents, no. So, um, your dad, your mom is not perfect, no. So, hindi naman sila mga superheroes, no. Try understanding them in this point in their time, no. So, yung mga parents nyo age na seniors na 60, no, try to understand them, okay, because maybe they're undergoing depression, okay, and might as well, no, you need to consider also getting them or have them checked sa mga psychiatrist, no, because they have may mga gamot sila, no, to control, no, certain hormones na that could affect, no, one's mood. So yun. Okay, so depression and anxiety are major contributors to social isolation and high suicide rates. Okay, yun na si Eman Atienza. Okay. And even sa even kahit sa mga matatanda, no, may mga nagsusuicide. Yung kamakailan lang yung tito ng asawa ko nagpakamatay, no. Nagbigti. Actually sa tapat ng bahay na mismo kinagabihan. Nung the following morning, kita namin nakalawit yung dila. Oh my God, hindi makakatanggal sa isip ko. So yun, yan siya. Okay, so importance of geriatric mental health, mental behavioral disorders of older adults and or family caregivers are major contributors to unnecessary placements in institutions. So yun, kapag ka may matanda ka, kumbaga declining mental and psychological health niya, kumbaga sinesend na lang sila sa home for the aged. But then most mental disorders are treatable. Okay? So, di-discuss din dyan yung treatments for that, no? So, why geriatric mental health is often neglected in practice and in policy. So, I believe that mental illness is normal in old age. Okay? So, also stigma. There's a shame about mentally ill. Okay? And yun, kaya sila nalineglect. And then ignorance. Wala silang alam about mental illness. Mabuti na nga lang ngayon, no? Kumaga, because of social media, it sheds light to these kinds of conditions. And they are ignorant about the effectiveness of treatment. Okay? So ayaw nila na mag-undergo ng ayaw nila mag-undergo ng treatment kasi kita nila sa gamot, ah, ano tawag nito, antipsychotic. Sabihin nila sa self nila, "Hindi naman ako psychotic, ah. 'Di ba? Hindi naman ako buang, ba't ko iinumin 'to?" Ayun. And they don't know where to get help. Okay. So in the demographics sa US, there's an increase from 13 to 20% of the population, no, ng mga mentally ill. 5% decline of working age adults. Adults age 85 and over will be more than double, no, yung depression. Okay, and majority of older adults will be ages 65 to 74, yun yung nagkakaroon ng mental illness, no? So yun, so sa population, no, sa population ng mga matatanda, no, so usually, no, may mga long-term na psychiatric disabilities na meron na talaga siya, no? So, simula pa siguro kahit hindi pa siya nag-senior, okay, pwede din mag-occur late life, okay? So, dementia, okay? Severe anxiety and mood disorders. Ito yung mga examples pala, no, ng mga psychiatric conditions, okay? Uh, Addictive disorders and emotional problems related to aging. So, di-discuss natin to lahat sila. Okay? So again, long-term psychiatric disabilities, late life psychotic conditions, dementia, severe anxiety, okay? So, less severe anxiety, addictive disorders, and emotional problems related to aging. So, long-term psychiatric disabilities naman, or long-term psychiatric disabilities usually develops prior to 30 or some in late life. So, 30 kasi yan yung peak kasi. Yan yung peak ng ng tao eh. Kumbaga ng toil, ng kahirapan sa buhay, diyan nag-open yung mind na this is life, this is the world. Alam mo 'yon? So some of them may mga kumbaga may tama na yung utak, di ba? Some of them toil or work hard a lot, and then may impact na din sa psychiatric health ng pasyente. So, 'yun, diagnosis include, no, this is under the category of long-term psychiatric disabilities, schizophrenia. Okay, so when we say schizophrenia, may iba kang personality. So, uh, so it involves severe functional impairment, and some people experience recovery over time. Okay, so usually patients with this may high risk for obesity, hypertension, okay, diabetes, heart and pulmonary conditions, high rates of suicide and accidents, and usually people with long-term psychiatric disabilities namamatay, no, early namamatay 10 to 25 years after being diagnosed, no, of this. So treatment of long-term psychiatric needs, atypical antipsychotic medication. So naggagamot talaga. Okay? So, usually kapag mga ganito tumataba, no, may factor siya ng ng tumataba yung pasyente. Okay? Effective but side effects include obesity and diabetes. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Okay. Yung pinsan ko kasi, yung pinsan ko kasi may ganyan siya eh. So tumaba talaga siya. Yun naman, depression. Basta antipsychotic talaga, tumataba ka. Okay? So, and yun, kasama sa needs is stable housing, rehabilitations, okay, wellness and healthcare. Okay, malaking impact, no, yung wellness, being physically fit. Okay? So next, late life psychotic conditions. Okay. So, late na nag-occur. So major thought and perceptual disorders such as hallucinations, kung ano-ano nakikita ng pasyente, or delusions, nagdidelirio. Okay, kung ano nakikita, ano-ano na-experience. Okay. May nakitang pusa daw sa taas. Okay, or may pusa na may wings, mga ganun. Okay? Difficulty grasping reality. Okay? Difficulty grasping reality. So, example, yung asawa niya namatay, hindi pa niya mag-grasp, hindi pa niya matanggap. Okay? Functional impairment also, that could be present sa may mga late life psychotic conditions. Okay? So, in late life psychotic conditions, it could be transient. Pwedeng parang in this season lang to, parang 3 months or 6 months lang. Pwedeng nauulit, recurrent, no, paulit-ulit, or long term. Okay? For a very long time. Okay? Nadidelirio siya. So, treatment of psychotic disorders, pwedeng inpatient and outpatient treatment, usually sa mga psychiatric centers. No? Medications could also help supportive psychotherapy. So, usually by psychometricians, most of the time, parang per session siya na nag-uusap-usap. And then from there, no, may evaluation. Day programs, no, these are actually therapies, no, rehabilitations, and social supports. No? In-home care, dapat may kasama lagi sa bahay. Case management, housing and residential care, improving or engaging to relationships and activities. Next is dementia. So in dementia, okay, so Alzheimer's disease, okay, so under siya ng Alzheimer's disease in most common form, no, 70%. So dementia is under Alzheimer's disease, no? So common form is 70%. Memory loss, nangyayari sa may mga pasyenteng may dementia, memory loss and reduced cognitive functioning. So hindi nakakaintindi, mahirap mag-grasp ng information, ng instruction. Okay? So, progressive decline. Okay? So, palala siya ng palala. Okay? Palala siya ng palala. Yung pagiging or having dementia. Pagkakaroon ng dementia ng isang tao. Okay? So, patient with dementia could have depression and anxiety, okay, during the mid phases. So, early and differential diagnosis is critical. Okay? So, yun. Wait lang guys ha. Wait lang. So early in the so pag sinabi pala nating dementia guys, no, parang it's more of memory loss eh. Di na, kumbaga ang bilis niya makalimot, no? Tanungin mo nga kaklase mo, ang bilis mo makalimot ah. Galing mo mang ghosting ah. Okay. So yun, early and differential diagnosis is critical. Usually sa dementia, just like sa psychology, psychiatry, no, nagpapasulat yan, parang may how they evaluate or how they diagnose. It's more of answering questions eh, paulit-ulit. Okay, tinetest yung yung pagiging consistent mo sa mga sagot. And new medications slow deterioration due to dementia. Okay, so medications is also a tool. No, anxiety and depression are commonplace in early and mid stages. So people who are anxious, people who are depressed, no? Iba talaga yung impact ng depression, guys, no? It could lead to dementia, okay? It could lead to Alzheimer's, okay? It could lead to late life psychotic conditions. No? So, yun. So being depressed, you could actually inherit it. Being depressed, you could also get that, no, from your environment, from uh, kumbaga sa experiences mo. So, avoid being depressed. Yun na lang. Okay? So, kumbaga laban. And, ano tawag nito? May term ako dyan eh. How I handle my issues also, no? Of becoming sad. Ano tawag nito? Babalikan ko kayo dyan. Okay? So, yun. Effective treatment of depression can improve cognitive functioning. So, support for family caregivers helps them and delays nursing home placement. So, support for family caregivers. Okay? So, yun, mahalaga kasi ang support system, okay? Mahalaga may nakakausap ka lagi, mahalaga na andiyan yung family mo. So, biggest support system is the family talaga. May makausap ka, a sister, a brother, a cousin, no? Nanay or tatay mo. Okay? So, dapat open ka. Okay? So, major depression, okay? So, kanina, dementia. Ito, major depression naman is it's not just sadness. Okay? So, cardinal symptoms, deep sadness with sense of hopelessness or loss of interest and pleasure in life. So, becomes passive na, parang wala. Hindi ka na nagiging happy. Okay? So, yun. Other symptoms, changes in patterns of sleeping, eating, or activity. Okay? So, pwedeng sobrang taba, sobrang payat, pero most likely hindi nakakatulog. No? So, difficulty concentrating, okay, frequent thoughts of death and suicide, actually lumalabas eh. Lumalabas yan sa bibig eh. Lumalabas yan eh. Kung makita nyo si Eman, no? Eman Atienza, may mga ganun siyang notes eh. May mga ganun siyang mga sinasabi kahit sa social media. If I am still alive tomorrow, yung may ganun siya eh. Mga ganun siya sa ano niya eh, sa TikTok niya eh. Kita ko lang sa FB, no? And low sense of self-worth. So, para siyang syndrome or no, so kailangan kumpleto 'yan. CDFL, changes in sleeping pattern, difficulty concentrating, okay? Frequent thoughts of suicide, okay, low sense and self-worth, okay. 'Yun. So, prevalence of depression, major depression 5%, minor depression 10%. Okay, symptoms of depression 25 to 30%. Higher rates of major depression among younger cohorts. Okay. So depression is not normal in old age. Okay. So abnormality pala siya, guys. So treatment of depression, okay, strong evidence base for screening. Okay, so PHQ, hindi natin yan gets. Okay, so yan yung parang answer key na binibigay ng mga psychiatrists or psychologists. No? Psychotherapy, okay, cognitive behavioral, okay. So problem solving in interpersonal. Actually parang in-house siya na parang therapy. Okay, na ginagawa ng mga psychologists. So psychosocial interventions, example, care management, exercise activity, relationships, dealing with real life problems such as finding appropriate housing. Okay. Suicide prevention, identifying of risk by gatekeepers. Yung gatekeepers, yan yung mga primary care physicians, psychologists, okay, social service workers, okay, and people in the neighborhood. Okay, your neighbors, no, could be or could also be a gatekeeper. Okay, so yun, yung mga kapitbahay niyo, no, maging aware and kaibigan niyo kasi baka they're experiencing depression din. Okay? So outreach to those at risk. Okay? Ang tawag nito, be a helping hand, to be somebody who is willing to listen, no? Sometimes, okay? I know we all of us have our own problems to solve, no? Okay? Pero iba yung kumaga siguro if you detect or you feel that this person is having something in his system or something in his no, something's going on na parang red flag siya. You try to be an open ear to that person. Okay? And of course, suicide prevention, depression treatment and care management, so public education. I think this is kumbaga talamak na ito ngayon. Kumbaga nag-shed light na yung social media, no, regarding uh, depression and yun, anxiety. So most common mental disorder. So in 10% 100% percentile, 11 to 12% daw ang anxiety. Okay, so ranges from extreme worry warts to extreme suspiciousness to those too frightened to leave home. Okay, may mga ganyan palang tao. Naka-experience ako niyan sa friend ko. Grabe. Nagka-anxiety attack siya nung nasa ano kami, nung nag-travel kami. Andun na kami parang 30 minutes after ano yung plane, nag-anxiety attack siya. Sobrang hindi makahinga, grabe yung pawis na nag-ano nag 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 na, nanginginig siya. So may ganun pala, no. Okay, may anxiety, may mga taong anxious, very worry-wart. Okay? Karoon ng anxiety attack sa na nasa ere na kami. Okay? So, yun. It could be overcome by medications, once again, psychotherapy and psychosocial interventions. Okay? So, next is addictive disorders. Okay? 17% have substance use problems. Okay? So, yun yung mga droga. Okay? It could be lifelong and late life. Very few heavy lifelong alcohol or illegal drug abusers survive into old age, of course, no. So these chemical compounds, no, are really not healthy, no, helpful sa katawan. They're all toxic. So you don't get to expect, no, an old age with that, no. Methadone and mostly alcohol and or medications, especially to manage pain. Okay. Also, one addictive disorder is also gambling. Okay. So treatment of addictive disorders, screening, especially in primary care. Okay. The general doctors, tayo, hindi naman tayo nag-screen ng ganyan. Usually, they could screen. No? During lab tests, it could also show, no? A brief motivational or cognitive behavioral therapies, non-confrontational. Okay, medications such as naltrexone, acamprosate, and buprenorphine. Okay, so yun. Uh, that these are medications for addiction. Okay. Detoxification, usually parang ano siya session based din siya eh. Okay? So rehabilitation siya, sama-sama kayo sa isang lugar, no? Kakausapin kayo ng ano nyo, parang uh, magte-therapy sa inyo. Okay? So rehabilitation, community-based or residential. So yan yung mga parang rehab centers. Okay? So emotional challenges, adjusting to old age, role changes. Okay? So retirement, loss of status, dating nasa taas ka. Okay, ngayon parang iniitsapwera ka na lang. So that could be really impactful sa pasyente. Diminished physical and mental skills, hindi ka na ganoon ka-sharp. Losses of family and friends, namatay na yung kaibigan mo, kapatid mo. Of course, uh, uh, there comes a time na you confronted death, no? So parang you faced death. Okay? So munti ka na mamatay. Okay? So coping with transition, okay? So coping with old age, no? Of course, need to plan for your retirement. Do meaningful activities. It could be paid or volunteer work, no? Anything that could benefit the society. Physical or creative activities. Of course, relationships, no, with family, friends. Okay? So intimate, including sexual relationships sa mga matatanda, no? Okay. So yun napakamahalaga. Diyan na lang nagsasabi yung mga sobrang yaman na 'di ba sana hindi ko pinagpalit yung relationship ko na ito para sa pera. At the end, no, relationships are very important. Spiritual matters, okay, it could kumbaga ibang impact nito sa psychiatric health ng isang individual. Get help when needed from home care, elderly care, no, and assisted living and life care communities. Okay. Okay. Wait lang guys ah. Okay, sige, gets. Okay, tayo. So, yun, behavioral problems often lead to institutionalization. So, yung distrust, okay, paranoia, rejection of help, okay, parang na-institutionalize siya, parang normal siya. Non-adherence to treatment, okay, abusiveness, dangerous behaviors, hoarding, wandering, and annoying behavior. So, treatment of behavioral problems, okay. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga, kumbaga parang behavior mo na talaga na parang lumalala na siya. Okay? So, gaya niyan, distrust, no? Okay? Paranoid ka. Okay? So, parang nadadala mo siya kahit na pagtanda mo, and actually affects your relationships. So, treatment dito is very careful use of psychotropic medications, skilled humane interaction, respect for clients as human beings, effort to understand client's motivation, carefully listening, time and patience, no, sa individual, okay, and design of living settings to encourage alternatives to wandering or to not doing anything. Okay? So only 40 to 45% of older adults with a mental or substance use disorder get treatment. Tama ito, guys, no? So 40 to 45%. Okay. So, pero actually malaki na siya, ha. Okay? And I think right now, unti-unti, no, na-recognize ito. And more than 20% of older adults have diagnosable mental or substance abuse disorder. Okay. So yun. Yun lang, guys, no? Yun lang tayo ngayon. Yun lang tayo ngayon. Okay. So ito, psychiatric health. Okay. I'll be giving you this PowerPoint presentation, no? Okay. Tapos ask lang pala ako, kailan yung ano natin, guys? Kailan yung finals natin? Kailan yung finals natin nga?
Hello po, Doc.
Oo.
End of November po, Doc. Around
End of
25
November,
to
tagal pa, no?
29.
Sige.
Opo.
Okay. Titignan natin ulit kung Sige. Pag-isipan natin sa finals ninyo. Gusto ko easy lang kayo eh. Relax lang tayo eh. Siguro magpapaano na lang ako. Sige, pag-isipin ko sa finals natin. Okay? So, ito na lang muna, guys, for now. Okay? Next week na naman tayo. Okay? Hopefully, walang any cancellation. Okay? Para tuloy-tuloy tayo sa mga i-discuss ko pa. Thank you, guys, ha? Thank you for for being patient, no? Sa pag-antay sa akin. So, ayan. Kita-kits tayo next week. Salamat!
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you.
Thank you